Hey, what's up guys? D-Brooks here, coming with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Texas Speed DoD Delete Kit. As you guys can see, I'm working on a Buick Regal. I'm putting the LS swap in that. I'm in the process of doing the DoD Delete. It's a 5.3 out of a Envoy, I think like a 05 or 04. But either way, I have to go ahead and do a DoD Delete kit, and this is the kit I ordered from Texas Speed. So I'll go ahead and open that up for you guys. Alright, so let's take a look at this. You have several options when you order the kit as far as what you want to get with it. So I went ahead and ordered my head gaskets with it. These are multi-layer steel gaskets for the 5.3. They feel nice and sturdy. These don't look too bad, so we'll use these. You also get a sweet picture. Your timing cover gasket, your crank seal, and your water pump gaskets. So apparently these calls canceled. So I opted to get the ARP cam bolt kit. So these are for the camshaft, because this is a 3-bolt cam that I'm putting in this car, which I'll show you guys in another video. And then with this being a 3-bolt cam, you have to get the cam gear socket. The dogs around here are pretty crazy, so they always bark. They're not my dogs, but yeah, so you gotta get the cam gear sprocket because you're going from a 1-bolt cam, a single bolt cam, to a 3-bolt cam, and you go from the DoD to non-DoD. Lifter trays. These lifter trays, they're different than the DoD lifter trays because I believe the lifter trays for the DoD have like a different style input in them. Here's those right here. Let me see if I can take a look at them. Well, actually, we'll take a peek. Yeah, so they have a little bit of a different indentation here for the DoD lifters, whereas it's flat for the non-DoD lifters. So in order for you to use the non-DoD lifters, you have to get new lifter trays. So I had to order those as well. Let's see what else we got in here. Of course, a couple goodies, you know, keychain, they give you that for being a good customer. A couple stickers, Texas Speed. So I opted to get the timing chain dampener because since mine was DoD, I actually haven't looked at it yet, but they have a different dampening system, so I wanted to make sure I had this, so that way my chain is nice and slack free. It'll have a little bit of slack, but it won't be too messed up. I believe these are my lifters. I'm not sure, I haven't opened this yet, but I believe these are the lifters. They're pretty heavy. And then these are the new bolts for the heads. So some people replace the bolts on their heads. I recommend that you replace them. Some people don't. You know, it's up to you. You know, it's debatable. So, now the crank pulley bolt is torque to yield, so I went ahead and opted to get a crank pulley bolt just because it's like $3 and the torque to yield, so I'm replacing that. And then in this box, let's see here. Oh, okay. Yeah, So the valley cover, because you're getting rid of the DoD system, you have to get a new valley cover. This seals off the DoD like oil ports that are underneath the valley cover right there. So you have to get that. Make sure I don't lose no bolts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Price wasn't bad. A lot of other places had similar packages. They're all pretty similar. And yes, these are the lifters because there's no other box. So like this, these are pretty heavy. So LS7 style lifters. I'm really excited to get this DoD Delete kit going. I've already cleaned the deck off of the block. I put new valve springs in the heads, and you know, all I have to do now is just finish disassembling this stuff. I'm doing some research on torque specs and different things like that, just to make sure when I put it back together, I put it back right. I'm gonna go through, clean out the water passages for the coolant, just, you know, from when I was cleaning everything. Just want to make sure I didn't leave anything inside there. I did use just like a razor blade, and I used some WD-40, so I just want to make sure I don't have any like WD-40 inside the coolant passages. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, if you guys seen some of my other videos, you might be able to see how much carbon was on there and how much buildup was on those cylinders. So I'm just trying to work along, man. It's one thing at a time. Got the valve springs done today, and you know, this is the kit that's going on. I'm gonna pull all that stuff apart probably this week, get another video out for that. But yeah, guys, that's it. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, recommendations, do's and do nots, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. And then subscribe. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, smash that bell. Peace.